We're out today and we're going to be shooting some stuff for SORCERY. It's the Japan Garage MR2, so we're kind of waiting for Fernando to get here. But we're actually going to shoot the car for SORCERY. We're going to do like clips and video stuff, whatever, for the Instagram. Kind of put it all together, make some cool stuff. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have my girlfriend shoot some behind the scenes with her smaller camera while I shoot the video and photos with my main camera, which is the Sony. And I guess we'll just see what happens, see how it all goes. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the filming, or the behind the scenes of the filming. The full video will be up as soon as this vlog is up, or maybe even before, who knows. I'm basically like trying to show you guys like what I was doing with the Rona and how I was using a skateboard to film. We had like Bones ATF wheels on the skateboard setup, so they're softer. They're like a filming wheel, and they're quieter. They're a little bit quicker. I don't know how you want to put that, but they work really well. And you know, basically just trying to get better at all that stuff, and hopefully it comes together well. Other than that, we're on our way to Impress Inc. right now. We're gonna walk in a minute. We're actually here right now to pick up the new hoodies. By the time you see this video, they'll be restocked in the store, so check those out. There'll be the link in the description below. All right, so we're going in now.
Tomorrow.
So after we left Impress Inc. yesterday from picking up our sweaters and all that stuff, they actually invited us out to a private event at Universal, Islands of Adventure. So we're actually here after hours. We're roaming around. The audio kind of sucks because the people at Universal made me take my mic off. So I don't know, we'll just see how it goes, and we're gonna wander around a little bit, shoot some footage, and go from there. So it's really crazy. We have open bar and open food. Like literally you can eat whatever you want. Check it out. I got two. We're hoping for T-Rex.
You want to kill somebody.
Who wants to grab dick?
Boo! You're just as bad as me. You see, you have to say
The first try, something that you didn't.
So we're wandering around Harry Potter land now, just trying to see what's up, man. We ate dinner, it was really good. I don't know what else we're gonna do. We're just gonna try and make little video clips and stuff and try to make some cool stuff. right, so we just left. We had a little bit of a long walk from Islands of Adventure all the way through City Walk into the parking lot, but we made it back to the car. It was awesome. I've never seen the park that empty. We got to check out Harry Potter. We got to check out a bunch of other little things that I've never seen before. I have some pictures. I'll post those up soon. Other than that, I mean, I guess we're gonna head to this car meet, check that out, see what's going on since it is Thursday night. Possibly grab some food and I guess head out. Oh, all right, we just got to the car meet. Cops are here again. I'm pretty sure they're trying to shut this meet down slowly but surely, so let's take a walk around and see what happens. So we're leaving the meet now, and I guess we're gonna go make some street magic. How are you? Crazy car fire.
Oop, one minute.
Anybody got fire extinguisher? Water? Something? There you go. You got it. How the fuck do you go?
Underneath.
Get underneath, right here.
Holy shit.
It's over?
It's over.
It's over.
Shout out to Jesse. Tofu Gearheads. Thanks for the clips. Alright, so after all the craziness and some of the sliding, we're gonna end the night off at Wawa.